Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. Today we got an epic challenge for our trusty Creality Ender 3 Pro. It's going head to head with 6 of Flexi Factory's wing prints, and the clock is ticking for a 24-hour showdown. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. We got a special surprise for one of our lucky viewers. Let's dive into 24 hours to print. Here's the rules for our 24-hour printing challenge. Rule number 1. No print file can take more than 6 hours after being sliced. Rule number 2. Failed prints counts towards time lost, but only if it's the printer's fault. Rule number 3. Any slicer profile is fair game. If the print fails because of it, it counts towards the 24 hours. And finally, rule number 4. We've got one roll of filament, and if it runs out before 24 hours, the Ender 3 Pro is crowned the speed champion. Alright, before we kick off, let's choose our slicer profile. We're going with the Creality Slicer. This is my favorite slicing program for the Ender 3 Pro and the Sonic Pad Duo. Time is crucial here, so we'll be keeping an eye on our 6-hour time limit. The Ender 3 needs to stay on its toes. If the print fails, we'll have to start all over again. And the clock starts now. Our first Flexi Factory wing print is in progress. It's the Mech Dragon. This articulated dragon is a challenge for the printer in itself. Each part needs to move when it comes off of the build. Fingers crossed for a smooth start. Update time. Our first print is done within a 6-hour time limit. The Ender Pro is off to a flying start. Now let's jump into the next one. No errors so far, and each print looks amazing. Halfway through the challenge, and we're checking on the filament levels. We gotta make sure the roll lasts to the end. Tension's building. The moment of truth. Did the Ender 3 Pro conquer the challenge? Our filament held up. 4 out of the 6 prints are done, and the 24 hours are up. Let's check out our print quality. Each print is articulated with wings. All prints move smoothly and free. The quality of the prints are also amazing. There are some layer lines, but otherwise very clean and smooth. The Ender may not have completed all of the prints, but it came close, and the end models came out wonderful. Okay, you awesome folks out there, thank you so much for sticking around to the end. We're giving away all of the models in this video. Just like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and write Jadobi Prints 3D in the comment section. We'll pick our winner in next week's video. Good luck, and thank you so much for participating. That wraps up our 3D printing adventure. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and tell us what would you print in the 24-hour challenge. Until next time, happy printing, people.